SMP Productions. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a custom Lego Palpatine training figure. So in this figure, he's actually a Sith apprentice, and first you're going to be needing a red lightsaber, common. Then we'll start with the headpiece. Now I've got two alternatives to the headpiece. First is going to be this one from the pizza truck Lego City. Or you could get this one from Guardians of the Galaxy set. Pretty neat, pretty awesome. I think it suits Palpatine when he's in the action for battling or training. You know, he kind of got that sway in the hair. So I'm going to be using this for the entire custom figure. Yeah. So then for the face print, we have Obi-Wan Kenobi from the Duel of Naboo set. And the body and the torso and the legs, of course, are Kylo Ren's entire body. And yeah, so exactly, it's as simple as that, guys. So first you're gonna take the headpiece, of course. Then you can either choose between this headpiece or this headpiece. So I'm gonna go with this one for right now. Then you're gonna keep that out. Yes guys, so this is my custom training Lego Palpatine figure. If you guys don't know how he looks, you can just search that up on Google right now. And yeah, so this is an awesome figure. And yeah, so if you guys, I'm just gonna show you guys from the back and the front. If you guys like this video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more content just like this. See you guys later soon. And my next minifigure custom is gonna be an Imperial Navy Trooper from Lego Star Wars itself. Pretty easy again. I'll show you guys in my next video. Peace. Bye.